Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Brody, and we got the Dagger mic Spirit Halloween. So if you guys don't know, Dagger Mike is the 2023 prop. He's gonna cost you $170. I got him off a coupon for a really good price. That was good. He starts out 3 feet 11 inches, but then he jumps to 4 feet 9 inches. He has a hunchback, but then he flies up. So if you guys live in the Reading area, you guys will see this in the Bowden Manor 2023. Alright guys, setting up Dagger Mike was fairly easy. You're going to start with the base, followed by aligning the shoes and costume, then the leg pull, then the mechanism, then attach the top part of the mechanism, and then you're going to put the foam blades in and attach them to the mechanism, put on the vest, and then you're going to attach the speaker box to the back of the mechanism on a little hook. Pull up the clothes and then attach the head and the hands with the 2 daggers. Once you do this, you can plug in your IR sensor, plug in your motor to your control box, and plug them into your wall outlet. You are done.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, the shirt though. That's good.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, you can hit the subscribe button, or if you just want to show your appreciation, hit the like button so I know you loved it. And if you love Dagger Mike, comment down below, I love Dagger Mike. See you guys later.